my review on the More Shoot movie. Well, the aspects of the film I liked most were, it's good. A sex-making film!
Well, the Christmas season is upon us again, and throughout the year, I get a lot of emails from fans asking which my favorite NES games are. So for this episode, I thought I'd take 5 of my favorites and do a short review on each. So, let's get started. The next game on my list is Castlevania. This one's a classic, and it's also one of the first games I ever owned for the NES. This title is about a vampire hunter going to Dracula's castle in order to kill some vampires. Now this one can be a bit challenging. I mean, it took me forever to figure out how to kill off the first boss. Now I do plan on doing a review of this game in the future, and going more in depth on the gameplay. But Simon Belmont still remains one of my favorite NES characters of all time. I'm sure there's going to be some elite gamers out there complaining about how I'm using a Game Genie for this game. Well, you know what? Merry Christmas from the Irate Gamer Show!